Ukraine ordered 100 Rosomak armored personnel carriers from Poland, Polish Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki said. Yesterday I received an order for 100 Rosomaks from Prime Minister of Ukraine Denis Shmyhal. Payment for these Rosomaks will be from the European funds we receive, as well as from American funds that Ukraine receives, he added. And this is the Polish Rosomak in action. The U.S. Congress has just approved Poland's purchase of 800 Hellfire missiles. They will be used by the 32 multi-role AW-149 helicopters and 96 AH-64 Apache attack helicopters that Poland is also buying. In total, 128 helicopters that can turn Russian tanks into dust. A little more spring conditions at the positions near Bakhmut. Despite this, everyone is holding on, and at the same time, in a good mood. By the way, about the offensive. Forecasts and analytics from experts are good, but reality makes its own adjustments. This is destroyed Russian tank T-72B3. Another video about the quality of the Russian helmet.
С виду, короче, очень крутой, серьезный шлем. Но это Россия, и мы сейчас узнаем. Это на заводе делали, это заводское, ты видишь? Первое 2022.
Ты уже фотографируешь?
Я уже снимаю.
Твой
Для потомков.
Твой хороший.
О, все, кусок железяки.
Не.
Глянь, да железка. Глянь, саморезами прикручен.
Не.
Короче, такой вот шлем. Короче, внутри ничего. Вот такая вот. Вот мы наконец-то сняли. Смотрите, 53-й год. Вот так вот, кацики год.
For the end, Ukrainian border guards take care of a horse in Bakhmut. Hold Morochka, my little one. Good girl. She's already used to me. I'll give her an apple for dessert, soldier says.
На заключення дам їй яблучко. Це самий найбільший смаколик. Держи, голубенько, держи. От умничка. От умничка, така хороша дівчинка.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.